What the deuce? Again? Well, we thought like our last video wasn't lame enough. You had to make a new one. Well, you can do most of the talking. I'm watching TV. How does it feel now that I'm not participating? I held it longer. I held it in. What the deuce? You can't cheat like that. Oh my god. Tiger Woods right here. Cheating. Oh my god, did you know that Jessica Simpson was saying that like someone thought Jessica Simpson was doing with Tiger Woods as well and she had to like go on the news and say she didn't do it? Oh my god. I want to get a tattoo.
Then get a tattoo.
Let's go today.
You should get this.
Do you want to go today to get a tattoo? Yes, that's where I'll get this. Again.
This is her
the
tattoo.
Mountains. I'm gonna get them right on. Where should I get that? My butt.
Yeah.
Actually, it really hurts to get a tattoo on your butt.
No, get this. Get like ruffles.
From that last picture where I was like licking the ruffles made, that would be soothing.
Like, yeah. This is gonna be her tattoo. Wait, this is gonna be.
No, this.
Oh,
this.
just this. This part. Wait,
yes.
This
no, just
part.
hide the other part.
Okay.
And this thing in the corner. Okay, this is what it's gonna be.
And she's gonna put it on her forehead. It's gonna be like ruffles.
This is hard to do. The camera doesn't follow. Okay.
Well, it's not supposed to move.
Do you like it?
I'm kind of getting it.
I dare you. I triple dog dare you when we go to Corden today. I triple dog dare you to wear this thing like right here the whole time.
Yeah, no.
Right. Someone does.
Wow, my mom was supposed to call me 2 minutes ago.
Oh my god! Did you see that? That was random.
Hello? Oh my god, I just like my mom was supposed to call me 2 minutes ago.
And then boom, the phone rang. You guys all witnessed that. Shush! Come here. Come here.
Okay, well, we're going to Corden, and I'm gonna drop off a resume where Julia used to work. It's like this ice cream
Ooh, you're
place.
so cute. You're so cute.
And then we're gonna go to the Forks.
Yes. I can't do a video without you. Yep.